In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the constructive critic prompt framework. So let's dive in. This prompt is great to provide an objective and expert feedback on your writing. So it helps you highlight areas of improvement and offer constructive criticism of how you can help and refine your copy, almost like an expert copy or writing coach. So the prompt formula is, I want you to act as an expert critic in the subject and field of blank, criticize my content pasted below and convince me why it's bad, and give me constructive criticism on how it should be improved. For some context, my product or service is, and my demographic and the details of my product or service is the following. The purpose of this product or service is to blank, and the content is blank, and let's think step by step, and I want you to address each piece of content individually. Here's my content for you to critique, and then you paste in your content. So here we have our example prompt. I want you to act as an expert and critic in the subject of fashion. Criticize my content pasted below, convince me why it's bad, and give me constructive feedback on how it should be improved. For some context, my product description is for my clothing brand, which is for 20 to 30-year-old eco-friendly consumers which appreciate unique and modern aesthetics. The purpose of my product description is to get consumers, I keep saying consumers, but it's customers, to purchase more clothing products. Let's think step by step, and I want you to address each piece of content individually. That's very important. Here is my content to critique. And this is basically just a content description that I asked ChatGPT to create, which says, introducing our latest addition to our eco-friendly clothing collection. The Modern Vibes t-shirt, made with 100% organic cotton. This t-shirt not only feels great on the skin, but is also kind to the environment. With a sleek and modern design, this t-shirt is perfect for the fashion-savvy 20 to 30-year-old who wants to make a statement while still being conscious of their environmental impact. So let's see what we come up with. And just like a personal writing coach, here we have a critique of the three main things that we would update to make it better. And then we also have a rewritten and improved version. So we're not only asking ChatGPT to rewrite it, which is something a lot of people would generally do, but we can actually use this as more of a learning process and treat ChatGPT almost as a personal coach and teacher with this kind of prompt, so that we're actually improving our skills versus just asking it to spit out different prompts and different answers. So this takes things one step further and offers a lot more value in your daily life.